Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a tractor seat. We're gonna look at this thing and see what this is and how it even works. So I guess this is gonna be your headrest. Hopefully it's not gonna be too difficult to put together, but we will see. We have some pieces and parts, more pieces and parts, and here's our instructions. So you can see, so if you have like a mower or something like that, a driving mower or something, you want handles on it and things, it'll make it nice and comfy for you. So let's see what else we got here. We have, this is the seat here. It looks nice and cushy. Oh, that's probably the backrest. Armrests we have. Our seat belt. And, whoa, it's heavy. The bottom seat. So that's everything out of the box. So, box away. And try to put this top together. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. I'm trying to aim down enough. Let me aim you down. So here we go. Just trying to get my feel for what we got here. Okay, so there we go. We have a seat now, and it's got an adjustable headrest here. What do you push? Here, I think. Yeah, there's the button over on that side. Ooh. But, you push it in, and then it goes down. Okay, so there, and then you got the armrests that go up. You got the little levers here to go up and down. Got these that'll go on the sides to cover it up to make it look pretty. And you've got this for a seatbelt, so you can have your seatbelt on there. So very cool, nice seat. I like it, thumbs up.